Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Follow me along as me and my family travel to France. We started at JFK Airport to take our Air France flight to Paris. We sat in business class, which was truly an experience in itself. Good food and spacious seating is the exact way I want to travel for 8 hours. 8 hours later, we landed at Charles de Gaulle Airport to hop on our next flight to Marseille Airport. This flight was only about an hour and a half. We finally made it to Provence in the south of France. First stop, bien sûr, patisserie shop where we filled our cars with delicious pastries and breads. Our beautiful villa was in the tiny village of Noves. It literally looked and felt like we were stepping into Belle's small town in Beauty and the Beast. I'll be sure to link the villa we stayed at in the description down below. Waking up refreshed the next morning, we headed out to the famous Provençal French market in Ile-sur-le-Sorgue. This market was filled from everything from fabrics and clothes to roast organic chickens, delicious potatoes, olives, and cheeses. Next stop was Fontaine de Vaucluse, a village set along the Vaucluse River. Remember, I am not French, you guys, so I am trying my best to pronunciate these words as best as I can. But we hiked up to the top where it was the perfect place for pictures. Back at our villa, there were so many activities that the grounds offered. Pool, bocce ball court, which personally I think I was the best at, a trampoline, and hiking. Our next stop was Arles, visiting the Roman arena. We then visited an old quarry which hosted a Cézanne interactive art exhibit. This exhibit was truly amazing and unlike anything I've ever seen before, with Cézanne paintings surrounding me 360 degrees. The gorgeous drive along the Mediterranean coast ended us up where all the beautiful people come to play, Monaco. From the casino, the yachts, the designer shops, the luxury cars, it was truly amazing and I never wanted to leave. Our last day was spent at Saint Remy de Provence, a quaint village where Princess Caroline of Monaco now resides. This trip was amazing and very much needed, especially after a long quarantine year. Merci Provence et à bientôt. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. We started at JFK Airport to take our Air France flight to Paris. Is it Paris? Okay, how do I say Provence? So I say Provençal?
Yeah, Provençal.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.